A circle of radius 9 centimeters has a sector whose central angle measures 2 pi by 3. That's an angle in radians. Find the exact values of the length of arc subtended by the central angle. So what is the length of arc that this thing has, the sector, and the area of the sector. So if theta is in radians, you don't need to write this, I'm just writing it because I really want to drive it home. If theta is in radians, right, so length of arc, L equals r theta, and the area of sector, A equals 1/2 r squared theta. And those formulas are so simple compared to their sort of degree equivalents. Remember that length of an arc, if you've got theta in degrees, it's theta over 360 times 2 pi r. It's a mess. Area of sector, if theta is in degrees, it's theta over 360 times pi r squared. These formulas are clearly much easier. They were a real argument for using radians. In fact, a lot of things get easier in radians. Right, so I'm just going to draw it. What is 2 pi by 3? We know that pi equals 180, and in pi radians, 180 degrees. So pi by 3 must be 60 degrees. So 2 pi by 3 equals 120. Then we can get the angle. So if we just draw a circle like that, and we start here, you know that 90 is here, so 120 is 30 more than that. Remember, this is always split into 30, 30, 30, which will take us up to 180, so it's about there. That is the angle, which is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3, just there. We have a radius of 9 centimeters, and we have been asked for the length, L, which we don't know, and we need the area of the sector. So part A, L equals r theta, and we've been asked for this in exact form, so no calculator at all. R is 9, theta is 2 pi by 3. 9 times 2 pi by 3, well, 9 over 3 is 3 over 1. 3 times 2 is 6, so it is 6 pi centimeters. Part B, we want the area of the sector, which is 1/2 r squared theta equals 1/2 times 9 squared times theta, which is 2 pi by 3. So that is going to be, well, you can cancel this half with that 2, so that will help us a bit. 1, 1. Then you've got 9 squared over 3, or 9 squared, 81. 81 divided by 3 is 27. So that equals 27 pi, and the units are centimeters squared. And remember, that is exact.